Hi there, this is our die 80 tonne by 4.2 metre press brake, New Zealand made. This is a 1995 model. It's got the CNC control on it. You'll see with the tooling and bits and pieces in the photos what it comes with. Now one of these tool holders this end is missing the adjustable part down there, which you'll see in the photos. And this multi-V block that's on it, it's 2.5 metres long. It doesn't have the full 4.2 in that multi-block. So I'll run through just a very basic operation of it. I'll turn the main power to the power box on, and I'll just show you a simple manual operation and also a step-by-step auto operation there. Now the only fault apart from missing that one tool clamp that I've noticed with this machine is the light guard system isn't working on it. We won't be fixing this. The new customers can go ahead and fix that themselves. So I'll start the machine up. So that's basically got the hydraulic motor going there. It's a star delta startup that you would have heard there. And I'll push manual and start. So that's taken that main beam up and it's taking the back gauge back to the home position. So that's gone back to the home position now, and basically from there I can do a manual bend. So I can come down on the foot pedal, do the bend and then take my foot off, etc. Or just come down a little bit, take my foot off, it goes up. So there's not a lot to demonstrate with that. Now if I want to run a program, I'm going to go into that auto program, I'm going to push start, and that's bringing that back stop into its first position, so I know how much to feed that sheet in. So now that it's done that, I'm going to start my first bend. It comes down quickly, then slowly, it's retracted the back gauge there for the next depth of my sheet, and I'm going to go again on the next stage. It's retracted the sheet back to the next step, and then it's brought it forward to the other measurement. And it's keeping on doing that with the different measurements that we've got set up in that program. So that's pretty much the auto cycle and how the back gauge etc. works. It's got that good sheet retraction feature etc. So that's pretty much it. I can stop that. When you're leaving it overnight, obviously you'd bring it right down, and if you're ever isolating the main power to the machine, then what you'll do is you'll start it up. You'll put it into a manual mode, and basically you'll bring that beam down to the V block, and have your finger on the stop button here for the hydraulic pump, and you'll bring it right down to the V block there and push the stop button on there, and that's in the manual cycle. And you'll want to do that if you ever turn the main power isolation switch on. It'll make it easier to restart back up. So there it is. It's got some good features with that controller, and it's all set to go.